Hello everyone, Lily here and welcome back to another simple tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Well, in order to do any of this, just make absolutely sure you're using the latest version of TikTok and also make sure your account is all right and that there are no violations. So if you don't have anything like that, let's jump in because it's quick and easy to do this. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our TikTok app over here. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to go to your profile, and then tap these three lines in the top right corner, and then select Settings and Privacy. After that you'll see a screen like this. So what you should do here is scroll down to the Support section and select Report a Problem. And then you'll get to a screen like this, where you'll see a boatload of new options. What you want to do over here is scroll down until you see the Live option. So you just have to go ahead and click that. And then you'll come to a screen just like this, and when you are on this page, what you need to do is select the Hosting Live option over here, and now you'll see that there is a thing that says I can't start a live. You just have to select it. And now all you have to do is press No, where it says, Is your problem resolved? And then you see that it is now saying, Need more help. Well, now you want to go ahead and tap it. And then they'll offer you an option to type in your issue, so go ahead and start typing your feedback over here, and you can even add in screenshots and stuff. So, you simply want to say something like, Hello, I am unable to go live. I tried to fix it, but none of the fixes worked. Please resolve this issue. Thank you. So this is a basic example message I typed in. You also have to type in something like this. So, once you've typed that in, you should go ahead and hit report, and then one of these things is going to happen. Either they'll finally get back to you and say you don't have that many followers, or they'll simply enable it, which would be pretty fantastic. And that's basically it. This doesn't require any more work aside from that. If you run into any additional issues, please let us know in the comments section below. If not, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy tutorial videos, and as always, thanks for watching and have a good day.